Yepis Creek here. This is 1845 Treebeard Way. Right there. There is a spring right there, and there's some drainage issues down here. There's also a creek, another creek at the top of the property up there that is piped through underneath all the way down here to the creek, to that creek you hear running. So let's come up here to the entrance. Pretty easy getting up in here. A few steps there. Now, nice foyer. A drop down living room here. $500 allowance for a new carpet down here in the living room. Full wall fireplace. Nice. Stone. Here we go. Bay window. So, coming back up here, you come right into a formal dining room that has a window down in there into the living room. This is a little patio right here. Room, sunroom I should call it. Right here between the house and the hill. I don't know what's wrong with those windows, why they're so nasty looking. So, nice little room. All right, coming back here. Oh. I guess we have lights. Well, all right. So, nice little kitchen and a U, so you can reach across there to the formal dining room. Okay. Not bad. You know, needs. Yeah, they're in good shape. They're good. So, there's some green mold all over just about everything in here. So, there hadn't been, the air has not been on, was not on all summer. Coming here to the bathroom. Now, in this part of the house, this is the only bathroom, okay? So it's basically a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but there's an in-law suite. Let's go to the bedrooms here. Yeah. Okay. So, closet the length of the room, and then another closet over here, because on the back side, they've got a closet that mirrors that in this little bitty bedroom. You'll see there, that's more of that green mold right there. Let's see if you, yeah. So, see it on the door there? Mm-hmm. All right. Now, here is sort of, okay, it's a utility area, but it's not being used for utility. That might have been for a washer and dryer sometime. I don't know why it would be so high, but there's your heating unit. This is a workshop. It used to be a garage, it appears. So, sliding glass door going out to the back. Back over here is currently your washer and dryer. We have lights. Okay, the light's blown. Washer and dryer in here. And this must be the well. That's the pump room, yeah. So, all right. Now, this is a staircase. The staircase goes up to the in-law suite. P-type unit, Pretty nice big living space, French doors going out onto a deck. Mini kitchenette, bedroom, and a full bathroom. Let's see. Listen to the creek. That's a garage up there, 2-car garage, really high ceiling. It's pretty much everything. Nice. Older roof, probably got another 5 to 10 years in it. Maybe more. Nice. Here's another nice little lot on that same property. Little hollow that goes up there. That's a really nice hollow that goes right up there. It's cut sort of straight through the middle of the property up to the northeast corner. And it is right by this lot. This is that 2-car garage, really high roof. Ceiling, I should say. Looks like they did a pretty good job on it. It's just open, there's no door, no floor. That concrete block, it looks like they poured the cores. That's why what you see dripping down there. So they put them down there and then just poured the cores instead of mortar in between them.